What is going on? And welcome back to another episode of iCoach Nutrition Radio. Today, we're going to be diving into the topic of calories, right? I get the question all the time, how many calories do I need to eat in order to lose weight? Well, here's the answer. You don't need to starve yourself to lose weight, right? Contrary to popular belief, right? With all of these crazy diet programs that are out there, Optavia, Red Mountain Weight Loss, Atkins, whatever, you name it, right? And this isn't to knock those programs, but the reality of it is that these people, these programs, these doctors, they are literally starving people. I cannot tell you how many people that come to me that they're like, oh yeah, they put me on 800 calories a day and they told me I'm not allowed to work out. Like, if you're going to do a diet and they tell you that you can't work out because the calories are too low, like, that doesn't make a lot of sense, right? Part of living a healthy lifestyle is being active and working out, right? And exercising on a consistent basis. And so if you're going to do a diet where they tell you that you shouldn't work out, you shouldn't exercise because the calories are too low, that should present a red flag, right? The reality of it is you do not need to eat 800, 1,000, 1,200 calories a day in order to lose weight. That is called starving yourself. Whether you realize it or not, that is literally called starving yourself. I want to share some data here. This is based off calorie recommendations, right, from the NIH. All right. And they break down calorie needs for boys and men. And what I'm going to share here is the calorie recommendations for boys and men as we go through these age ranges. So a 2 to 3 year old sedentary little boy should be taking in 1,000 to 1,200 calories a day. All right. A sedentary 4 to 8 year old little boy should be taking in 1,200 to 1,400 calories a day. A sedentary 9 to 13 year old little boy should be taking in 1,600 to 2,000 calories a day. A 14 to 18 year old boy should be taking in 2,000 to 2,400 calories a day. A 19 to 30 year old now young adult should be taking in 2,400 to 2,600 calories a day as being sedentary. A 31 to 50 year old adult should be taking in 2,200 to 2,400 calories a day as a sedentary individual. And then if you're 51 years and older, the recommendation drops just a bit, right? 2,000 to 2,200 calories. Now, again, this is all as a sedentary boy or grown man here, right? If you go into the categories of somewhat active or very active, these numbers increase even more, right? And then if I read off the recommendations here for girls and women, so a 2 to 3 year old little girl who is not active should be taking in 1,000 calories a day. A 4 to 8 year old little girl, 1,200 to 1,400 calories a day. A 9 to 13 year old little girl, 1,400 to 1,600 calories a day. A 14 to 18 year old girl should be taking in 1,800 calories a day. A 19 to 30 year old young woman should be taking in 1,800 to 2,000 calories a day. A 31 to 50 year old adult female, right, should be taking in 1,800 calories a day. And then 51 years and older, 1,600 calories a day. Again, this is if you are not active at all. No workouts, right? You're living a sedentary lifestyle. So what I want to bring it back to is these crazy companies like Optavia and Red Mountain Weight Loss and these crazy diet plans and weight loss plans that people are getting put on. Doctors are putting these people on, right? 800 to 1,200 calories a day. Whether you are a female or a male, you should never, ever, ever be on that low of a calorie intake. Remember that a 2 to 3 year old sedentary little boy or little girl is recommended to eat 1,000 to 1,200 calories a day. A grown-ass man or woman should not be eating 800, 1,000, 1,200 calories a day. So hopefully this raises some awareness as to the fact that, look, there are some crazy, crazy, crazy weight loss programs that are out there. You do not need to starve yourself to lose weight. The more unsustainable the program, the more unsustainable the protocol, the more of a guarantee that, yes, you will lose weight and you'll lose weight really fast. But I guarantee you will gain that weight back. A lot of the times you'll gain the weight back plus more. So this fires me up, as you can see, because it drives me crazy. I cannot believe how many people do this type of stuff. Like, I know that when you are desperately wanting to lose weight, I get it. You're willing to do anything. But the reality of it is you need to do it the healthy way. You need to do it in a sustainable way. You need to realize that you're not going to sit here and just lose all of this weight overnight or in a week or in a month. It didn't take you a day or a week or a month to gain all this weight. It happened over time. So if it took you a year to gain 50 pounds, you should not have the expectation that you're going to lose 50 pounds in less than a year. Play the long game. Stop looking for the quick fix. Stop looking for the shortcut. There is no magic pill, magic surgery, magic diet to this. If you want to actually lose weight and keep it off and be healthy, you have to live a healthy lifestyle. It doesn't mean that you have to sit here and eat chicken and broccoli every day and work out 7 days a week. That's not living a healthy lifestyle. You have to live a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. And if you don't understand what that looks like, you need to invest in yourself and work one-on-one with a coach. Your health is your greatest asset, whether you realize it or not. And unfortunately, so many people, they wait. They wait until they've been diagnosed with, hey, now you're on cholesterol medication, you're on blood pressure medication, you're on diabetes medication, you're at risk of heart attack, right? You're obese. Whatever it may be, they wait until things get so bad that now they have to finally do something about it. Don't wait. Be proactive. Understand that you get one life, you get one body. Don't take it for granted. Don't treat your body like crap. Don't treat it like a garbage can. Prioritize your health. And again, if you need to lose weight, that's okay. Just make sure that you're going to do it in a healthy, sustainable way. Because if you're not going to do it in a healthy, sustainable way, then what's the point? You're literally just going to lose weight really fast from an unrealistic, unsustainable method that is ultimately just going to lead to you gaining that weight back, gaining it back plus more, and falling into the cycle or continuing to live in this cycle of constantly losing weight, gaining weight, losing weight, gaining weight, losing weight, gaining weight. And what that does to your mindset, to your psychology, to your mental health, your emotional health, is it absolutely is damaging. So again, if you need help, please reach out. I will be more than happy to give you a free, no strings attached nutrition consultation to help build out your game plan and strategy as to what the next year will look like for you, and to help you reverse engineer that process back so that I can give you a step-by-step plan, a step-by-step roadmap as to how to accomplish your goal. Is it going to be an easy fix, an easy pill, a magic pill, an easy surgery or something? No, it's not going to be that. It's going to be hard. It's going to be hard work. It's going to require you to start paying attention to your habits. It's going to require you to start building good habits and getting rid of bad habits. It's going to require you to prioritize your health. Are you going to be perfect? Absolutely not. But you are going to have to start getting more and more consistent with things like your sleep, your nutrition, your exercise, your hydration, your stress management. Right? This is a holistic approach to being able to prioritize living a healthy lifestyle, because everything affects everything. So, rant over. Please prioritize your health, and please, please, please realize that you do not need to starve yourself on 800, 1,000, 1,200 calories a day in order to lose weight. That's absolutely insane. And you can look at any of the supporting data to prove that. Mic drop.